Dude, you gotta talk to your grandma. She keeps fucking calling me. I
We'll talk to
do.
her later.
Just tell her you're in the hospital.
Make it a video.
I have given her my number about 60 times. She keeps calling his fucking number.
Well then, can you call her and be like, hey, I gotta call you back later. We're in the middle of something.
No, that doesn't happen with my grandma.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're recording right now?
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
Oh god, it's not a good bitch.
Yeah, here. So, yeah, you fucking did.
So how
man.
bloody was it?
I was like,
Is it
we should
bloody?
take a picture.
I don't know much blood. I expected like squirts of blood. Oh my god.
Was the baby covered in blood?
No, just white stuff.
Yeah.
White stuff.
Yeah, creamy
They got
white
this.
stuff.
They got this like creamy.
No, I don't. Well, the creamy white stuff.
It's not.